Hi guys, today I'll be showing how to create this design using Adobe Illustrator. Basically, is to use the knife tool to slice into different shapes and then use the envelope tool to mask each letter to the shape itself. So, alright, let's go! Alright, first up, same thing, we have the artboard with color palettes on top as usual. Now we're going to use the rounded rectangle tool, create a rectangle and round all 4 corners. So we create this shape. Change it to yellow. Now we're going to use the knife tool to slice it. So you can slice it randomly as you want it, any way you like. The idea is to create text with 3 letters. So we use any H, individual text. So we want to envelope distort each letter to each shape that we slice. Since we slice 3 shapes, we're going to use 3 letters. So let's write in a H maybe. Okay, so each letter we change it to a different color, so that we can have a different variation of design. Alright, now we select both the shape and move it to the top, both the shape and the letter, and go to envelope distort, top object. Same thing, shape and letter, make sure the shape is on top of the letter, select both, object, envelope distort, top object. So this is how it looks like. Very simple way to mask, or to envelope distort the shape to the letter. Of course, you can create nicer shapes as well. This is just to show you how to create the shape. This is how it looks like. In the end, the overall shape will look exactly like the initial shape before we slice it. So this is how this design is done using envelope distort. Now we can align it and centralize it to any way we want. Then make sure to align it to the artboard. Now we're going to create another eclipse shape at the back just to give it some design. And let's just change the eclipse shape to gradient mesh. If you want to check out gradient mesh video, it's in the other earlier videos. And we're just going to change each points in the gradient mesh to a different color to match the overall design. So gradient mesh always brings more depth to a flat 2D design. So if you really like doing 2D design, even though 3D is more of the design trend now, you can use gradient mesh to create 3D effect kind of design on your 2D artwork. I think it looks pretty good. As usual, you're going to just change the colors of the points. Remember, the edges has to be blended a little bit to the background color so that it looks a little bit more 3D, a little bit more depth. You can change it to any color you want. So basically that's it. This is how this design is created. Very simple, 2 tools. Let me know what you think. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Do follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and also visit our website and drop us an email and DM if you need help with any creative services, any branding services, social media. Also, if you need to learn or you want to learn how to better your design skills, do follow us on this channel, like this video, hit the like and subscribe button so you can do more of such videos. You can also check out our rest of our videos. We have podcasts, we have conversations, we have quirky finds. You can let us know what you think about those videos. Alright, till next time, bye!